Welcome to the Luxx Nova measurement guide. Let us show you how to properly take your measurements. You will need measuring tape, long piece of cloth, tight-fitted clothes, and a friend to help you. Take the piece of cloth and loosely tie it around the narrowest part of your torso, as demonstrated. Waist to floor. Be barefoot. Ask a friend to help you. Measure from the middle of the waist control ribbon, along either side of your body, to the floor. To make this measurement, measure along either side of your body, to the floor. From the middle waist control ribbon tied earlier. Height. Be barefoot. Stand straight and keep your feet together. Take multiple measurements for accuracy. To measure your height, stand up barefoot straight, with your back against the wall, with your heels touching the wall as well. Place a mark where the top of your head meets the wall, and measure the distance from that point to the floor.